Hi everybody, how are you? Fine. Yeah. Do you remember me? Huh? Do you remember me? Then say. Yes, very good. I am your Hindi teacher. Okay. Then what we learned about last class? What we learned? Anybody know? Yes, very good. More symbols we studied, no, last class. How many symbols we studied? Hindi, how many symbols? Matra we studied? Yes, A matra and E matra. That full everybody studied. Any doubt? Any doubt means you call me and ask. Okay. Yes. I know I got more calls in your parents. Parents side. They told to me some are new students are there in our second standard, some are new students, some are old one. Old students no problem, they already studied in first standard Hindi letters, correct? No? Yes. Some are forgot. Anybody is there? Some letters forgot members? Yes, don't worry. Okay, we can study now. Okay, that new students also learn correctly Hindi letters. Okay, we can start? Yes. What we study in first in Hindi? First standard what we studied? Yes, Varnamala. What do you mean by Varnamala? Hindi letters that we want to study. Okay, that we want to study. Now we can study that Hindi letters. Are you ready? Then take your notebook, Hindi notebook. How many of you got textbook? Yes, some of you got. Isn't it? Yes, then take your textbook, notebook, one pencil and eraser also. Okay. Take it and come fastly. Come fastly, take it and come. Yes, fast, fast. Okay. Then listen here. What I give that write in your notebook. Okay. Correctly study. First one is Varnamala. Varnamala. Who don't know Hindi letters? Okay, you should learn this. Today I am starting Varnamala, Hindi Varnamala. Okay. What do you mean by Varnamala? Varnamala first portion what? In Varnamala, first part what? What we study in first part of Varnamala? Yes, very good. Swarakshar. Swarakshar. Everybody knows Swarakshar? Raise your hand. How many of you know full Swarakshar? Vowels. How many of you know full Swarakshar? Yes, more are there. Very good students. Okay. Vowels. Swarakshar means vowels. What is the first vowel? Can you say first vowel? Say louder. I can't hear. Say. Yes, very good. A. What is the letter? A. What is the letter? A. Louder say. What is the letter? Which letter is this one? A. Very good. A. Okay. What is the next letter? Swarakshar. Next letter is A. Okay. How can we write A? First, want to write A and here one more line. This is A. Got it? A. After A. Then third letter is, what is this? E. Okay. E. A. E. Isn't it? Next one what? E. How can we write E? First E, right? And here also one symbol. What is this? E. Okay. First letter is A. Second A. Third E. Fourth one is E. Once more, reader. A. A. E. E. What is the next letter? A. E. Yes, very good. U. What is the letter? U. After U, which one is next one? U. Okay. After U, U. Understood? Read once more. A. E. U. U. Got it? Once more, reader. A. E. U. U. Got it? What is the next letter? A. E. U. Yes, how can we write? First one line. Listen here. Who is playing there? Okay, first one line. And he like this. And here like this. This is How can write? Listen here. Like this first. And after this one. Understood? Yes. Once more, reader. A. E. U. Understood? A. E. U. Then after A. What is the letter? Which letter is this one? Louder. Yes. A. After A, one line upside. What will read this one? I. Okay. In Hindi, in Malayalam studying, Varnamala studying time, A after A is there, no? In Hindi, no need for A. After A, I. Understood? I. After that, O. O, how can we write? First you write A and upside also one line. This is O. Okay, once more we can read. A. E. U. A. Which letter is this one? After A is there? No. After A, I. Okay. O. Okay. After O, next letter is Ow. Okay, this is the same O, right? And one more line put upside. 2 line needed. Okay? Ow. In Malayalam, after O, what is the next letter? What is the next letter? O after O is there, no? That in Hindi, no need for O. Okay. O after Ow. O after Ow. Then after O, one dot up. This is Okay. Once more we can read. Are you ready? Yes. A, E, U, A. Which letter is this one? Yes. A, I, O, Okay. A, E, U, A, I, O, After A. Got it? A also. Once more we can read. Yes. Read louder. I can't hear. Louder read. Then only you. So you should. Okay. Louder read. E, U, A, I, O, A. Understood? Yes. E, U, A, I, O, A. Got it? Yes. This is very easy, no? You want to sit and write in your notebook 5 times. Okay, then only you can study easily. Sit and study 5 times in your notebook in these letters, vowels. Are you ready? You want to study Hindi, no? Yes, some are know these letters very well, I know. But no problem. You studied your textbook chapters. Who don't know letters means you can study these letters. Okay, we want to study Hindi letters, then only we will go words and sentences. Okay? Yes, once more we can read. Yes. E, U, A, I, O, A. Understood? Everybody read in your home this. Okay, now itself you can read, no? Then read. Louder read. Then only I can hear. Louder read. And 5 times write also in your notebook. Ready? You want to study Hindi, no? Yes. Read. Yes. E, U. What is this? A is what? After A is the no. Which letter is this one? After A, which letter? I. Very good. I. After O. Then Ow. Yes. Here Here Understood? Yes. This you can study very well. Okay, Swarakshar in Hindi Varnamala. Swarakshar is the first part. Swarakshar A to you study. A to A. Study very well. Okay. Ready? Yes. Next class I want to see these 5 times write. Show me that. Okay. Show me you write and show me in through WhatsApp group. Are you ready? Yes. Some are know this very well. Then no problem. Okay, study very well these Swarakshar. Can you see this picture? Yes, this Swarakshar. Study very well. Ready? Some don't know Hindi letters. That's why I am take this class. Okay. Yes. Are you happy now? After this, we can start Vyanchanakshar. Next class. Okay. In this class, you study this very well. You should study this. Now I am going to stop my class. Okay. See you later. Bye.